duvet, chi curtains, chi carpet. Ebikoro tukurwa bidibia bana wika bidibia bantamanene. Wigo, mkuru bale obokoredi wa vacuum cleaning, sofa set cleaning, asechinga. Niko bago tuka imeyumu chubusongo. Nyanjwa. Hamine gitali ya maiso. Mbabwate wigo obokoredi wa pick up. Na wigo delivery. Asamange. Bakiri sime ase namba 0742178765. Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.
Na ukwaniri mwanchu murigereria maragoba yavene asiri tukerigaria Jumatano karibu sana ase kionga jinsa ikomecha pono maragoba ase chitariki 25 nchenkuruko Matilda Obaigwa nere Makori Wilson kurasense mweli yevi manyariria karansoike nabe usangana into aso mutandao Facebook no yo YouTube kionga ikogochira masemo wetira Getembe TV. Na guchake kiongo mwancho murigere kurase bunge ya West Mugirango ase county ya Nyamira matukamake mageka yogosira kwa oyorenge rishabikirie chiredio aserieta guseserieta riobo shambiki amanyakana tubuna eriso riemamba naboigo aserieta riae John Burasi gosirio bugima bwae nigobono amate ya yeso kiri kurase kenyorukia nyangoge yogotoka ime ye bunge ya West Mugirango bono beso kire na gukwania obokonyi naboigo ogosiro eliokocha kwene kibuna banyari wakana na wikirania ebile ya nyagitari na boigo wikirania emirobiri yoko mwenya wakana nigitaseni kega niko banyari ko erabuna asokurora kwae okukwairete gikigitambe niko kwairete otiga amateyo etabwati bitoki wikira sabonega banyari gosinyo gusemirobiri yanyare koba gikoratera kubwatekana nechibesa gusukugania gwebile kole igoro mono
asamarieta ngoro kwari gisina muraburasi mugako uyu sirete no yone mugako yone yasoete kurwarake akaiguna ninde kunya kumuruma kagenda nyagitari aegwa marioga agacha akanywa taigubuya tukarora mbuya tigagende nyagitari erie gujikumumurika akwegisirei aroruna mborwa ireki kero twamuira tukamuira Jumatatu tukamuira tenwe kinkamuira tukamuira togite goje akatotebia choni toro chari yaye teringia wono presa yerense wono ninje bwekandeiga wono ndote ne piri yabeire nanaria wankonye gakyo muberoche urwari osokarutire nje bono timaitie sorute twe kyare natamite parento mubere na babeka Nyamira iko beroro no menya Nyamirore natimbwati bana timbwati monto gokonya gakimogende mwana ari marore chibijando bereti abana ororo bakwita abana bana barabu bari kurwara igo bakwa uno yo evanisi era yarwara bunaise ise yare kolie omwana yari kujikolie ndageruruka ukujikolie ndageruruka kujikonywa machoruka kende ngeyo yari kulia no mugako yo nabone era so akujikolie gento uruka nyone chikonini
asamarita anengoro kusabera nyanga Evans nje mukamuro burasi ngeye iga mugako nero sira so mwako na tata konye nero uretegemea si familia yiga nero linge ko baka gotokonya nero nyari ko baka gusira bona so mucho twatira baburaka na abana ntubwate tutake tobo konyi
umugano eburashi no muntu urengo mukorie gashi bwa serikali no mutureti wabere bwe ke serikali myaka emenge na ndiri ya ingeli kongu ukachire paka no nyambo songo mate erisorie mamba amasabiki yose ngo sabasa amasabiki yose pimwa betabo songo na nyamira akimwesi moje motokonye erisorie mamba liararire
ekero aborokiwa bagenderete kwariganirwa Ase University au ime yense ya Kenya University ya Kisii tetigareti magega ase aborokiwa banyare gosoa aroro wetania chiribu kianda na chinga kecho umorkia umonene gosumuteneneri wa university eyo nere Professor Nathan Ogechi kagosangana barabo sentunda entangani kegima nikbono anyarire kubaboria batware kirenga nabo gokonekia una ikirenga kyabo gitangani kegima no konyora chisemi kirechiganirie nabo igokuira egikakeria bobwate gosikerike bekire gukora gotabukia chikosi cyabo nabo igoniga baborie kwetanga kurwase chisagu chimbe nabo koba obosemi kiraba gochake sabari eyo anamono bali bagosoa ase umwaka mutangani ase a university eyo.
You must attend classes. Please attend classes. Of course, shortly you'll be told how to pay your fees. You must also pay your fees. I've told you we have all these things that we are doing. The money comes from you, including this tent. You will shortly be told how to pay your fees. And please apply for that loan when you will be told how it's applied for. Don't just go sauntering around and after 3 years you come to tell us that I'm a backlog student. We'll give you an opportunity to do it. But attend classes. If you think you are rich and you don't want to ask for the government loan, then pay your fees. But the government has said there is a loan they are giving you. You came here for 2 years, 4 years, or 6 years, work hard, complete. If something happens, you are sick, you'll be told on how to apply that you defer your studies. If you lose somebody, you'll be told on how to apply and have that time. Observe all rules and regulations governing students' conduct to the letter. In as much as your freedom, take care of yourselves. And most of us will tell you that in next years, we're talking about time and season for what? For everything. For now, focus on studies. Babies, you'll get them later. Don't worry about that. Avoid those sponsors who will be telling you to live beyond your means. They want to make you look like you are sons and daughters of people that are not your parents. Still note that HIV/AIDS still exists. And at one point we were ranked number 13 nationally. Kisii area was ranked 13 nationally. So ensure that you take care of yourself. Cautiously socialize. I know you are here to socialize.
Mwancho murigireria muraibu ya Kenya umusike William Ruto ritkoria lero nigo asangire na gutarira chinse mu ase orugongo rwa Narok South ime ye county ya Narok kawikira naroro negati ya barai kro ase serikali yae nigo bono anyare koigirira muroberio usemeroberia serikali yae vegete ase sector yechisemi elio kwene kyabuna aborokiwa na bugabana baukina bono imense ya Kenya banyare konyora chisemi chiria chiganirie na boigo chingeke cyo nigaigerire sector iliyo bocheno anomuno asomorobelio Social Health Authority asatebire serikali ya enegenderete kubeka umukia kwene kya Kenya banyorire obukorerio bya ase chinyagitari
muliniambia munataka tuwe na walimu nirekebishe mambo ya elimu. Ile CBC ilikuwa inatusumbua, nimenyorosha. Ile walimu walikuwa wamekosekana, tumeajiri 1,100. Madarasa hatukuwa na ya kutosha, tumejenga 23,000. Na ile funding model ilikuwa imeumiza mauniversity yetu na watoto wetu walikuwa wanahangaika, tumeinyorosha na sasa tumeweka funding model ambayo itahakikisha hakuna mtoto wa Kenya tena atakosa nafasi ya kusoma University Tibet ama college ya KMTC kwa sababu mzazi wake hawezi, kwa sababu tumeweka mpango ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba kila mtoto wa Kenya anapata nafasi ya kusoma. Vile vile nyinyi muliniambia ya kwamba mambo ya matatizo ya afya, mbali na kujenga hospitali, wananchi wengi wakienda hospitali wanakosa pesa ya kulipa. Mimi niliwaeleza tutabadilisha ile mpango ya matibabu. Ile ya NHIF ilikuwa ya watu wachache, watu wenye wako na kazi, watu wako na pesa, na watu wako na ajira, na watu wako na uwezo. Mimi nikasema tutabadilisha hiyo sera ya afya, tuweke SHA ambayo ni ya kila mwananchi, mwenye ako na kazi ama asiye na kazi, mwenye ako na pesa ama asiye na pesa, mwenye ako na uwezo hata yule hana uwezo.
Na asense moyendeka ukona kurase bunge ya Emurua Dikirr eyo kutoka imeye kaunti eyo ya Narok. Muski William Ruto nigonyara gusangana bamenyi ba Emurua Dikirr na kubwa muno gukwanira amangana siasa ya matukaiga ase aborire bunangwetera ase amarora maya na boigobwa matobuya ase gati ya Burai na boigo ebisaku ime yense ya Kenya Burai obuya burasoe ase chinsemo
Njia ya kubadilisha Kenya ni kuhakikisha kwamba tunatumia elimu. Hii dunia inabadilishwa sio na fujo, sio na fitina, sio na makelele, sio na mambo ya vita. Inabadilishwa na mambo ya miradi na maendeleo na mipango ya maendeleo na mambo ya akili. Kwa hivyo nyinyi wote tuungane, tushirikiane, tufanye hiyo kazi pamoja. Emurua Dikirr, tumekubaliana? Tumekubaliana? Hebu nione wala wanasema tumekubaliana. Sisi tunataka amani katika sehemu hii. Tunataka umoja ya wananchi katika sehemu hii. Ndio tupange mambo ya maendeleo tukiwa pamoja. Hatutaki uhasama, hatutaki vita, hatutaki fujo. Tunataka wananchi wakae pamoja. Na hiyo maneno ya goons na nini tutamalizana nayo. Tunasema tunataka amani, dunia hii tuweze kutembea pamoja. Kwa hivyo Emurua Dikirr hoye!
Murai w'ikiama gia DCP Musikeri Gachagua nigo abekire okuburia kwae ase kiombe gitenenirite obuchori ne chimbibi mensi ya Kenya ikiombe kia Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission IEBC Kenya kwende kiabuna kiabekire teneni amangana onsi agenderete kubwatakana ne mirobero busio bwobuchori obonene bure busio mwaka ugocha na kaukona kurase enka yae kaukona kurase chisemo chakare ni me county ya Nairobi mugasolero Musikeri Gachagua boigoniga mochiri abobwatani na bateneneri bekiombe kia IEBC ase ogotuara obwamate kose ogokora chinkwana ne serikali engana tebiri andakera abasokoleta omochando ase obwasioku obokoreri bwa IEBC.
What a clever coincidence, Mr. Ethicon. How come and why does the tender document contain numerous provisions requiring IEBC to insert, specify or determine technical standards later, which stimulously imposing rigid mandatory requirements elsewhere, and how can bidders prepare comparable and responsive tenders where essential specifications remain undefined or internally contradictory? Why did the IEBC require a tender security of 30 million shillings while failing to disclose sufficient information regarding the quantities, commercial scope, estimated procurement value, or the budgetary basis necessary to demonstrate compliance with Section 61 of PPADA, and how are bidders expected to assess commercial risk under those circumstances? Finally, given that the Constitution requires procurement to be fair, equitable, transparent, competitive, and cost-effective, what safeguards did IEBC implement during the drafting stage to ensure that no manufacturer's proprietary, architecture, certification profile, or product ecosystem, including that associated with the middle systems, was embedded into the mandatory specifications in a manner that excluded otherwise qualified competitors? Kenyans should also be made aware that William Ruto's captured parliament has deliberately delayed the passing of the Elections Amendment Bill 2024 that contains provisions that touch on technology. Specifically, the bill proposes that the supplier of KIMS technology must grant IEBC intellectual property rights and ownership over the system. Senate passed the bill, but it has been pending in the National Assembly.
Museneta bwe kaunti ya Nairobi muske Edwin Sifuna huyu na Ndoro Murai asirombe yalinda mwananchi nigobono anyarire kwerera buna Murai evensi ya Kenya muske William Ruto nonye n'abakenya n'abarai bande mbamanyite eganga ya irombe yo yalinda mwananchi asebono agenderire kuralia ogotera kwa one term na kubomono asayegereire nseme yo na kwerera buna nigobobwata maroro ayora chikwenekia abakenya banyorero bokoreri obya na kubomono burayo buyakorwa ase serikali enene.
Mheshimiwa William Ruto knows he is going home. And the reason why he is going home is because we are applying the very same medicine he applied in 2022 to become president. William Ruto rode on the back of a slogan to become president. He was just singing hustler and the bottom up. Sisi tumekuja na yetu ya 2027. Nasema tu William Ruto one term. William Ruto one term. Nilisikia akisema ati the bar has been raised. When was the bar raised? When was the bar raised and by whom? Wewe uko hapo ndani kwa sababu ya slogan. Slogan ziliisha lini? Atuambie. Atuambie. Na ile kitu mimi najua Wakenya wameelewa agenda yetu. Ni yeye ndio mslow. Yeye ndio amebaki. Yeah. When we speak about the software issues of this country, a return to constitutionalism, a return to the rule of law, a return to equality, Kenyans have understood. We just have one person with a PhD, but he's slow. Hajashika, bado anakaa kituuliza agenda yenu ni gani? Nyinyi vijana, mumeona nilikuwa nimewaambia, inauma sana because I have been in your space. Umesoma university, umemaliza miaka 10, unatama kukitafuta kazi. Alafu unasikia ati barua za TSC zinachukuliwa, badala wafuate mfumo wa TSC, barua zinauzwa. Wanza wanachukua wanapea wabunge, alafu wanauzia watu. Sasa kwa mfano, wewe kama umemaliza KU,
Mwancho murigereria nabo no tukorere kionga chinse komicha bono muragoba kolinde kendera kurigereria Getembe TV nabo yoto bwati ase mitandao yetu ya kirero konyorayo na yanda mangi ali awateka kurwa sevinyoroime na kurwa ase serikali nene nabo igono nya kurwa chinse chesco ngoro kwa Matilda Obaigo nere Wilson Makoria se ensemo ili yebe manyerere nabo igo yunuke atuti chibichara Mario Gasinchira ere ya vene twara oburigereria obya muragoba ingia.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoke meyo mu cyobusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwa se company ao obusi bw'ingano amabuta y'icingeni kurwa se company ao amajani kurwa se company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati ibintu binde binge wigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwa se company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ne chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati ibintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agerera rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru Complex eyuerange namagacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena Credit Bank ime yomu chobosongo bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nyota Dry Cleaners ndiko bagusibya balingana kubase cyanga cyao wekerano ngusibya bale chisuti chigown chiduve chicurtains chicarpet ebikoro tukurwa bibya bana bikabiri by'abantabanene wigo mukuru bale obokoreri wa vacuum cleaning, sofa set cleaning, ase chinga niko bagutuka imiyomo cy'ubusongo nyanjwa hamwe n'igitari ya maiso mbabwate bwigo bukorere bwa pick up na bwigo delivery asamange bakirisine ase namba 0742178765. Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.